Hello everyone, we are from Birla Vidya Mandir, Nainital. I am Jay of grade 8 and alongside Siddhant and Raghav of grade 7.
Vehicle owners often face the problem of being cheated at petrol pumps. They are getting less than what they are paying for. For this issue, we come up with a fuel monitoring system.
In this project, we have used flow sensor, LCD screen, connecting wires and Arduino Uno. Now, let's see how it works. The flow sensor is connected to the fuel line. As fuel passes through, it sends pulses to the Arduino Uno, which calculates the volume of fuel based on the number of pulses. Then, the amount is shown on this LCD screen, so the vehicle owner can instantly verify it. We believe this small device can make a big impact by ensuring transparency at fuel stations. It gives power to the consumers to cross-check what they are paying for.